Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can add multiple languages to your Titan surveys projects. So here's my example, and because I have enabled multiple languages, my users are able to select the language here. So right now it is in English, but if they wanted to change it to, say, German, then it will translate to German. And you can see that even the buttons, all of the questions have been translated, and it gives our users a unique experience that is custom to their native languages. So let me show you how we can enable this. In your Titan Survey Builder, you can go to the settings over here, go to Tools, and then you'll need to turn on translation and then click on the gear icon. This is where you can add new languages. You'll click Add Language, and then you can select between the languages, and this is where you will customize the wording for that language. So you can see under Slides, you can see all of the different slides that I have, and then going to the gear icon, I can edit things. So for the title, that's where it said Titan Cakes Company, so I'm going to keep that the same for my other languages. But then the description where it said, I think it said, tell us what you think. Here, I have pasted that translation. I got my translations from Google Translate, but of course you're welcome to translate it however you want. If you want to say it's something more culturally appropriate, then you can just type it in right here. And this is how you will set up all the different translations on your survey. And I did the same for my slide. This is how it says, you say, how was your cake, good or bad? And then finish, I did the same. Now you can notice that the buttons are not translated here. Let me show you where you translate your buttons, and that will be under Project Captions. And here are all the different project captions. So I would preview your survey, and if any of these captions are used, then you should translate them. So under Valid Indicator, this is where I typed Gut. Start button, back button, next button, submit button. There's a start again button that is optional. Again, just fill in anything that your survey is using to translate those words. And you can do the same for rules. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Uh-oh. Geez. Let me get back in. Anyways, so you're able to translate as many languages as you would like. You have lots of different options, and you're able to customize the wording for each language. So custom translations. And then it also adds in this drop down right here. So unlike in Titan Web where you'd have to add this yourself, this is already configured. So whenever you add multiple languages, the users are able to select which language at the top right here. So that is how it is done. Again, you can add as many as you would like, and then once it is previewed, they can switch between the languages over here. And then they can take the survey. All right. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.